What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about the different doors you can get for the TJs. Obviously we have the full doors with the glass in it, and then I'll take you guys around to the half doors with the plastic windows on it. So I'm just going to talk about the pros and cons, when I like to run the half doors, when I like to run the full doors, and just kind of my experiences with both sets of doors. So this is the full door, the full steel door, obviously. I would say it's probably more secure, being as secure as a Jeep with a soft top can be, obviously. But you have glass here, you can lock it. You can't reach in here and get to the lock. So it's I would say it's a little more secure. So if you have a hard top, I would definitely recommend having the full doors if you want like actual security like a normal car. Definitely the full doors. As far as looks go, I mean, I like both. The full door looks, I don't know, more substantial, obviously. But same mirror placement on the other ones, but you got the crank window roll up here. Roll that down. So I'll show you what it looks like from the inside here. So it's a little higher up. The actual window area is higher. So I like to run the full door in winter for sure, or if I know it's gonna be raining for a couple days, I'll definitely do that, because you can definitely see more out of that window than this one. If you look on this one, it's kind of blocked off a little more here, whereas you can see it's a little thinner over there. So you can definitely see more. The actual window itself is bigger, because you do have to deal with this like frame area. But it's just kind of a cool, different look to it. And I don't have the door, this trim on here yet. Mine was from a 97 Jeep that I bought these half doors. So I have to paint, it's like that light gray interior, so I got to paint it to match this charcoal. So I guess we'll talk about the half door now. My half door is a little dirty, but I bedlined my half door. It originally it was that like a bright green color. So I sanded it down and bedlined it. So obviously if you have the factory color, it's going to be red like the full door is. But so it's got this window here that you can take in and out. It's got this whole metal surround that goes all the way around here, and then it locks into here, and here. And to get it out, all you have to do, we're just gonna lift it out. So all you have to do to lift it out, it's just that. And then set this over here. So then there's the half door. Just got a definitely unique look to it. More like a safari style, I guess. But all right, so I like to run the half door in summer. It's really nice. You get some nice breeze in here, and you have a little bit more, I guess, safety of things flying out of the Jeep. But I like to run them in summertime. You can, and if you're in a pinch, you can throw in the windows here. Yep, just like that. Get it lined up. And that's kind of how that goes. So, but I'll show you how to get the window. So that's the one, if you're driving around in summertime, the only thing about it is to roll the window down. You just unzip it basically, and then it just falls and sits on the inside. So just sits like that. So then you can have, the window down, which is kind of nice. But we'll go around and show you here. Then it sits on the inside like that. So yeah, also I'm going to talk about the weight difference. Now this door weighs a lot more than the half door, because it obviously has the whole glass inside the door. It's bigger. So as far as weight goes, if you're trying to save some weight, definitely the half doors are going to be good for you. So, and obviously this upper window is plastic. So that's the other thing with security wise, you know, a plastic window, you know, will it keep some people out? Yeah, but if someone wants to get in your Jeep, they're getting in your Jeep. So that's something to think about too. Yeah, I like having both. It's definitely nice to be able to choose between, you know, the half door, the full door. Like I said, the full door is nice for winter if it's really raining out, but the half door is great for summer and, you know, nice weather. So that's kind of what I like. So yeah, so that's pretty much going to do it. My opinions on both doors. Like I said, I like having both of them. It's nice. The only thing about it is the half doors seem to be very expensive online if they're finished. So I found mine on Craigslist. So you can find them on Craigslist for a reasonable price. I say definitely pick them up. They're nice to have. It's nice to have both of them. So I guess I wouldn't say one's better than the other. One is better at, you know, one thing and the other one's better at the other. So like I said, the half doors are better in summer, wintertime, inclement weather. The full doors are best. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video.